Anderson, you're gonna make it, buddy.
Not this time, Bosco. I think I'm finished.
Anderson, you're my best buddy. You can't leave me.
I know. You gotta do it without me, though. Listen, tell my wife I love her.
I'll do it, Anderson. I'll do it for you.
Oh, and also, tell my kids I'm gonna miss them.
Anything you say, Anderson.
Thanks.
I'll miss you, buddy.
Also, tell my kids that Santa Claus ain't real. Tell them it was me all along.
I don't know if I can do that, Anderson.
Please, it's my dying wish. They need to know it's a sham.
It seems so unnecessary. I don't know.
Just do it for me, your old pal, Anderson.
I'll do it, Anderson. I'll do it for you.
Oh, thanks. Also, tell my wife that I had an affair with my neighbor for a few years, but I never really loved her. Thanks.
Wait, Anderson. Never loved the neighbor. Never loved your wife.
I never really loved the neighbor. It was just sex. Lots and lots of sex. Oh, and ultimately a secret child who's given up for adoption. Tell my wife, thanks.
I don't think you can be in your right mind, buddy.
Oh, trust me, I am. I probably might have told her if I got out of here alive.
Oh, they got me.
Bosco! Anderson, you guys okay?
No, we've been here. We're not gonna make it.
Come on, you guys can pull through!
He's not gonna have it.
I don't think so, Carter. Listen, tell my wife I love her. Tell my kids Santa Claus ain't real. And also tell my wife that I had a loveless affair with our neighbor that did result in a child who might try and find her someday.
Okay, Anderson, you got it. That's a lot, but you got it, buddy.
Thanks.
And tell my mother it was me who stole life savings. Not that guy who went to prison for it.
Listen, why don't I just tell both your families that you love them?
I didn't even know these things.
Yeah, my mother needs to know it was her only son who betrayed her. No one else could tell her. That guy died in prison. I should know I had him killed.
And listen, Carter, tell my kids that I keep a high-powered rifle out back in the shed. The combination for the ammo is 5, 15, 11.
They probably won't need that,
I
Anderson.
gotta tell them, Carter. You just gotta.
All right, Bosco, I'm telling you kids, there's no Santa Claus.
No, that one's Anderson's.
I thought he was the mystery kid in the loveless affair.
Yeah, that's it too. I got both of them.
All right, I'm telling you kids, no Santa Claus. Mystery kid by affair.
Loveless.
Right, loveless affair. And you stole your mom's money and put a hit on the guy who's wrongly convicted.
No, that's what's mine.